I'll do it tomorrow. I don't know yet, because I might be picked up by a childminder. So yeah, that's the plan for my next video. Oh great, stuck. Just take this out. Yeah, take this out. Water. There we go. That's better. So I brought that and push it back in. So now these are quite heavy. Like, yeah, there's loads of them, so you don't have to chop these with scissors, they're just like opening bags. So I'll pour that in here. Ooh, there's a load as well. And next one we open is these ones. Well, these can be really useful. So I'll use that on my next video, if I will have time. Because sometimes I never have time, because I've got a little brother now, and yeah, no, but he's 2 years old. I've had him for quite a long time, so yeah. So I will be ending this video, and I might open some more stuff on my next video, so bye, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, bye, good luck as well.